right, y'all. Another bag spent, another thing down. That's what we work hard for, man. Get your kids what they want. You know, my parents always took care of me, so, you know, it's up to me to do the same thing for mine. I only got one, so. Is you in there, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. You ain't walking like you in there. You still walking like you got an S9. Is you in there or no?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Alright guys, man, we over here with the Prince. Over here at T-Mobile, man. We finna get him right and tight. Show him your old phone, man. Yeah, man, out of Illinois, man. I just moved to Dallas, though. Okay. That's an S9 right there, man. Mark look like it done been through a whole war. It's light, too. Wow. Yeah. But yeah, man. Go ahead and show them some of the. Alright, bet it up. Go ahead and show them some of the phones over there. Show them which ones you in this. Yeah.
And then as far as that,
Like this Samsung. Yeah, I do like this Samsung right here. I do like this 5G mobile. I think it's called. I do like this one. When I first came in, I was looking at this one. I had my eye on this one. Then I got like one like this, but
9735.
then I got one like this. Okay. Oh my god, it just got blurry.
That's the one that's not active. Okay. I know the 630-222 and then
like y'all know how like kids like when they go like into like electronic stores and like go in an electronic store with the parents, like all the kids want to do is just mess with the electronics. That's literally all we want to do. Like we don't care about what y'all doing. We just gonna mess with the electronics. We gonna mess with the phones and tablets and everything. Not really anything else. Like I do like these pictures right here, but I don't need one. My mom has one. I don't need one though because I got Apple Watch already. Yeah. Which phones do you like? Which phone?
yeah, but let me see if that's actually.
Yeah, I might see a phone that y'all like in here. All the way in Georgia, man. It's right by Publix. Over here.
Yes, like it'll assign a device to the number, so that's just
this big like a week ago, bro.
Right.
And at that time, I just gave him some little BS phone,
Yeah.
and he play on them and he do what he do. He got real good with the technology on there, and then now he's huge, and it's like he can't be walking around with a little BS phone like that. He a grown man.
But like honestly, I'll say too, if you
My man right here taking care of us, man. Appreciate him.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amir?
Yes, oh, your name is Amir?
Yeah.
Bro, look at my arm right here.
Are you serious?
That's his name.
Damn, that's a powerful name.
Yes,
too.
sir. Yes, sir. Prince.
So, honestly, if you already had a Samsung, I would say stick with the Samsungs too, because that's already kind of what you're familiar with. iPhone, it is.
He got an iPhone too, though.
Learning curve.
He got both of them.
Okay, so
The one that's active is the Samsung, but he Wi-Fi. Then the other one is active too on the Wi-Fi. But Samsung is the one that he can call and talk on and stuff.
Yeah.
But it's on him. You know, I'm a Samsung guy.
This is personal.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a Samsung guy.
Like, man, me too. So.
But he like one of them. He one of them. I don't know, man. He think the Apple side might got him. He not the.
I don't know, man. I gotta be honest with you. I prefer Samsung, and Samsung is actually better than Apple in the long run.
What he wants to do, he knows that Samsung is because he's got the, like I said, he's got the iPhone, which is a newer iPhone than the Samsung that he got, and he got the software on both of them. He like doing the software more on the Samsung phone, but he's saying he want an iPhone. I don't get it.
Do you want the iPhone just to be like other people?
Right, because that's the cool thing to do. Because I mean.
Because the main thing that you can do is just like FaceTime and then iMessage games.
Right, like it's no plus of having it. It's no plus of having it. The camera is better on Samsung, I believe. I don't know how the 14 is, but
they're both good, but just overall,
this camera right here is colder than anything that I've ever seen.
Look, man, especially with that zoom.
I'm telling you, I take pictures of the moon all the time, bro.
Me too.
Cold, you can see the craters on it. Ain't no iPhone doing that. You can't do it.
Attention to detail too.
Yeah.
And then honestly,
Then you got your pen on the bottom. Like it's just so many. But I mean, this ain't the one you getting, so don't worry about all that. What we saying, but this joint costs more than the 14
when it comes
plus.
to the Samsung too. You can get like the Plus, which is just the bigger version of the regular S22.
Mm-hmm.
So it does the same thing, just bigger phone.
Yeah.
But
I was gonna get another. It just ain't no point. I already got the Z Fold, and I got the first version of this, which is still the same. I don't.
Exactly.
I don't. I was gonna trade this one in and just get the new version, but for what? It does the same thing, man.
Because you got pretty much the new version of that with the Fold.
Yeah, so I mean, it's I ain't
You
tripping.
just get one of these styluses and call it a day.
I got one already. I got everything, bro. I'm with the technology and with my YouTube channel and my photography, man. I got everything, man. Y'all know.
Information before you leave too.
For sure. You know, we networking all over, man. I just moved to Dallas from Chicagoland area, and he lives out here with his mom. So
okay. So you just visited for now.
yeah, this is my first time being out here. They ain't been out here long. They've been out here maybe a year or two. So, and he was just living with me not too long ago. So this is my first time being out here.
Right.
And I don't like it.
Look, I'm from New York, so I'm used to like the city type
same
stuff.
type of energy.
And then like here it's mass.
Yeah,
bro.
man, I
Unless
don't like
you have
it.
a vehicle, you really can't do anything.
I mean, I got a vehicle and I've been moving around and networking and meeting a couple guys, but I just
It's the traffic.
it's the everything, bro. It's just the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Have you been to Atlanta?
Historically, where?
Atlanta?
I was at Rick Ross' house like
Really?
8-9 months ago. You know, he just had that big car show. And if you are a car guy, you was there. If you wasn't, hey, you know, it's cool. Yeah, I was just there, man. When you check the channel out, man. Actually, that's the one video that I kind of don't recommend going to watch though, because I had just got a new camera at the time. Not this one, but I had just got a new camera at the time, and it was real shaky and bad. I didn't have the right lenses. It wasn't right. It wasn't right. So the whole time the camera was shaking like this, and the footage wasn't clear, and it was way too close because you couldn't see yourself like how you can see yourself on here. And so yeah, it was bad. But I was there, man. I got the memories.
It's the experience that really matters.
Yeah.
Worry too much about the
It is. Well, that was like 100 videos ago, man. It's trials and tribulations. I got almost
improving on your craft.
Exactly. I got about 300 videos up, man, and they done got better and better as time went on. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, I got plenty of content for you.
Good.
All type of stuff, man.
Yeah, because honestly, I've been trying to get into like editing recently because I've been trying to find a way to get like Photoshop and like other editing software.
Yeah.
I want to learn how to do it for myself.
Right.
I work at T-Mobile for one, so I'm trying to dive into my own type of craft.
Yeah.
So I really don't have a way to, I guess, learn how to edit.
Right.
And do these other things.
It's real. I
I'm
mean,
always looking.
I would try this. I use Power Director.
Okay.
I would download that Power
Is
Director.
it free? You gotta pay for that.
They got both.
Okay.
So, you know, you try the free version out, and then if you like it and want to go further. But if you're just doing like beginner stuff,
Yeah.
there's no need for you to have the paid version. I got the paid version because, I need that feature right there.
Right.
You just doing regular stuff, you ain't gonna need all that extra
Okay.
stuff.
And you taught yourself how to do editing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm always been like real, like artistic, like, and so it was fun to me. I like messing with that type of stuff, and it rubbed off on him because he cold with it.
Yeah, look, that's good, man.
Yeah.
Start him young.
Yeah.
That's the business right there, too.
So which one you say? iPhone?
14?
And you prefer the bigger one or that one right there?
Can I get this one?
You can get whatever you want, man, except for the 100.
Except for this one.
Alright, let me go check to see if we have that 14 in the
All right.
That's the only reason I asked you to say this one was like the same thing.
Got the Z Fold out here. But all right, y'all, man, we gonna see if we get this phone or not. See if they got one. We might have to go to another store, whatever. Or he might have to get the smaller one. We gonna see what happens, man. I'll let y'all in a minute. What are you doing, man?
Hey, did he have his other device on him too?
Yeah. Give me the other phone. Go ahead, man. It ain't got no case on it yet. You need to hold it with your life. Take it. Don't put it in a box. Take it out, bro. It's your phone. You acting so weird all the time, man. Do you remember what it was? So the apps and stuff ain't, I don't think, downloaded on the phone yet.
Nah, because you need to have Apple ID.
When you get home, you have your mom finish setting the phone up with you, doing the Apple ID and all that. I don't know what that stuff is, so you gotta have that stuff set up. That's weak too, man. They don't give you a block with this or nothing.
Nah.
That's crazy, man. Boy. Alright, man. Man, you see yourself on the channel too, man. Make sure you check. This video will probably be out in like 2 days too. We pretty current with our videos. I am gonna be dropping some old footage too, but I'll title it like that, like throwback footage. But this gonna be out soon, so
right,
appreciate you, man. My man got me right, man. Make sure y'all come holler at Amir at T-Mobile, man.
Have a good day now.
You too. Alright, y'all. Another bag spent. Another thing down. Sir, yes, sir, man. That's what we work hard for, man. Get your kids what they want. You know, my parents always took care of me, so, you know, it's up to me to do the same thing for mine. I only got one, so, you know. Is you in there, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. You ain't walking like you in there. You still walking like you got an S9. Is you in there or no?
Yeah, I'm in there.
What up, family, man? We done made it out of T-Mobile. My boy over here got the you dig. What you got?
iPhone.
Let me see. Just in case they don't think it's real or something. Let me see the back of it. They might not think it's real. Yeah, that's the 14 right there. That look like the 14 to me. This kid don't know what he got, y'all. He gonna master it though. He gonna make it do what it do. But yeah, man, we made it back to the room, man. This is gonna conclude today's video, man. I am broke now. I've given all my money to him. He has it all. But yeah, man, it is what it is. It's cool. It's cool, y'all. Don't even trip, because we gonna make it back.
Question. He spent all his money on me. He didn't give it all to me, alright?
Same difference. Same difference. But yeah, man, we got a feast sitting over here from Outback. Yes, sir. You see the little spread? Let me show y'all the little spread. Yeah, them right there is scrimp. That right there is a cheese steak dip that it really looked way better than that, but it's been sitting in here because we had to go get it picked up. And then boom, got some barbecue ribs over there. So yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time, man. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about my tall son over there and his new iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, man. I'll holler at y'all in the next video, man. I'm finna eat. I ain't ate all day. Gang, 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 gang.